arrangement. For this I am using candle and color water and glass and matchbox and plate. And add water to the plate. Keep candle center of the plate. Do. Now take the empty glass and put it on the candle. The magic water will inside the glass. Candle is tight and expensive. This cancel the space as the oxygen. Temporarily, the water level is down. When the oxygen is depleted, candle goes out as air cool. And the volume as the air decreases and the water rises. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Support me. Bye and good night.